5 loading screens. But they did it in such a pretty way that I actually don't mind. Just like with Mass Effect, I believe. The way they did their loading screens is every time you enter a door, is when they have a loading screen of some form. So, yeah. Boop. Okay, just gotta go down here. And there's sleeping bastards. Not here, 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 not here. Oh god, this is, no, no, everything's worse than death. I'm sorry, man. Don't worry. Oh god, no, why are you still alive? Why are you still alive? And okay, perfect. Hey guys. I'm not here. I'm not here. I'm not here. No. No. We're not doing that, okay? Okay? Good. Oh, God. I could do the next mission. I could do the thing that makes me more happy. I'm gonna do the thing that makes me more happy. Alright. I don't care about the Devastator because I don't fucking have it and I don't fucking want it. It's like, hey, here's this weapon that we made that will help you kill this thing. I'm like, or I could just not. Like, come on. What's the point of purchasing a weapon that I'm just not gonna use and is expensive, and then will just effectively not let me get my... Did? What? They slept through that. Okay. I'm just gonna go this way and pretend they don't exist. Hey, man. Up. Up. Haha. Okay. This is where the scary part comes in. Because that thing's still out there. That evil, evil fucking ship is still out there. And, well... That just happened. Oh! 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 This isn't happening. I'm not here. Oh, so... Fuck you. Asshole. Okay. Okay, they're gonna wake up, but they're gonna be like, what the fuck just happened? And they're gonna go back to sleep. Good. Now, I'm gonna do the smart thing and just deal with that. Deal with that. Continue to deal with that. Wow, those guys are fucking invincible. Ugh. Die. Okay. No. No. Okay. Yeah, fine. Don't explode to my very explosive weapons. Hi. No? No, that's fine. Don't worry. I'm just gonna do that until you die. Yep. This is how you get one. Oh god. They're awake again. They're awake again. Oh god. Oh god. No, god. Ah! Ah! Okay. Well, when I let go of X, I will die. Don't want to die. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. What's happening? What's happening? Oh god. Well, fuck. Man, let's be friends. Come on, like, let's talk about this. Let's do something where I don't die. How about that? No, come on, man. We're just talking. Like, nothing bad happening. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. They won't let me attack them. Oh god. Okay. That went well. Okay, come. Oh god. No. No. Okay. Okay. Man. This isn't even fun. This is brutal. It's all worth it in the end. Like, I know at the end of this path, at the end of this fucking hellhole, it's all worth it. And I know that. I know that right now. That by the end, everything will be worth it. I will come out a happier and more satisfied Ryan. So, that's all I need to know. So, let's hope I don't die. Oh god. Man, let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. Okay, gonna smack my face against there and fire. There you go. Dealt with one. Uno. Now let's do a dos. Maybe that one. Did that deal with the thing? Yes, it did. Okay, that's probably why they woke up, mind you. Okay, they're very prone of waking now. Like, they're very prone. No. No. Oh god. Come on. Oh god, man. I knew that was gonna happen too. Don't fucking mess with me, bro. Oh, there you go. No. Come on. Come on. Hey, buddy. There you go. Okay. Now, as long as I don't fall off or lose all of my health, I think I'll be good. Oh god. Oh god. That guy was being really aggressive. Don't like aggressive people. Not nice. Like Quark. Quark's aggressive. Like, I'm sure Ratchet's aggressive too, but like, I don't know. In my head, he's more subtle. Be aggressive. Be aggressive. Fuck off. Die. You used way too much ammo there. Okay, Ratchet. At the end of the day, okay, that That one. That ship just scared the shit out of me. I thought it was the one that shoots at me. Oh god. Okay, Ratchet. You know, at the end of the day, it's all worth it. You'll get to the end of this course. You'll spend a fuckload of money, and I mean a fuckload of money. And everything will be okay. Everything will be fine. And you'll live better, stronger, faster, more health. That's the main part here, is more health.
This is a premium nanotech dispenser.
Yes, yes it is.
You can purchase a can to increase your maximum health.
Oh, that's the only time I let her talk. Delicious.
This dispenser also carries Ultra Nanotech, the very latest in Gadgetron technology. Ultra Nanotech is 3 times more potent than premium nanotech.
That's good. It's good shit. Like, that means I can live longer. Waste a lot of money, but living longer. Okay, why didn't I just buy the normal nanotech thing? Because that would have been cheaper in the long haul. I get that it's supposed to be like a level of difficulty, but still, it's like... Oh god! Okay. Well, there goes my first health. Yay. Oh, it's closed off. Okay, so now to go the other route. I almost jumped on his head. Now to go the other way is to deal with a lot more bullshit in my point of view. I hate both sides of this thing, but I think this one might be worse. Like, I have the health for it, so that's not... Aww. Fuck off. This is why I hate this side. These freaking magnets. I'm gonna fall off at some point for a stupid ass reason. Man, I didn't trust it. I did not trust it. These things are gonna bite at me. That's gonna, yeah, see? I don't want to be bit at. Fuck off. I like money. Money. Hey, buddy. Oh, buddy. Buddy, come on. Can we talk about this? Oh, God. Okay, that went well. Buddy, buddies. Guys. Man, stop running. I just want to show you my love. Oh god. Man, stop running. This. Oh, what? Even? No! 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 Fuck off. Get back here. Don't go up. God, fuck. Are you done running? You're done. Okay, good.
Hello again, everyone.
Hi.
Supreme Executive Chairman Drek here to fill you in on our progress.
Yes, please do.
We have now found the perfect orbit for our planet.
That's good.
One which will allow for the optimum temperature all year round. However, there is a planet now occupying that orbit, and sadly, for its few insignificant inhabitants, it must be destroyed.
Ooh.
And that's why we've created this.
What was with the quote?
Planet Buster Maximus.
Like,
A device
he
capable of
quoted
blowing an entire
destroyed.
planet into
He's like,
subatomic particles.
it's like,
We're quite
is
proud of it.
that
Here's how it
necessary? No,
works.
just
We
say you're
attach the
blowing
planet
it up.
buster to this ship, fly it into
You're not
orbit around
lying
the
in
planet,
any way. You're
and
not
let it
joking.
go.
You're
Kaboom!
flat out saying it is being
Quite
destroyed.
ingenious, really. Once our trained professionals put the finishing touches on our new planet, everything will be complete. Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Now this guy's gonna blow up an entire planet? That's just mean.
That's what I've been telling you.
That's what he's been doing
Look, I'm
this
still
entire
dying,
time. He's just
Quark.
been destroying
You end up
planets.
taking out Drek too? Hey, fine.
Every planet he fucked up, he
do care.
completely
Don't
destroyed.
push it, pal.
He's like, I'm gonna have a perfect planet, and everyone else's planet's gonna be, oh god, destroyed. I don't know why. I don't know why I did that. I don't know why I thought that was a smart idea in any way. But I did. So I did it. That was honestly one of my dumber moments. Yeah. That's how you enter a ship.